Wow, kyk al hierdie goodies. Wat's daar? Nog jelly tots. Okay, sit dit op die tafel. Wat's nog daar? Wat's daai? Dis vegan shampoo.
Vegan, so jy kan eet.
Nee. Wow, jackfruit. Yay, ons favorite mayo.
Ek weet nie wat dit is nie, maar
Lyk dit lekker?
ja.
Wow, kyk hier vir al die girls.
En kyk hier.
Ja, nog meer. En vir al die girls. Ek sien vir hulle. Wat blaai kom dit nou? Bamboo charcoal soap. Yay, black salt. Hierdie is soos eier. Wow.
Hi, Daisy. I'm Lily. I'm Lexi. I'm Ruby. I'm Emma. We got your package. And we're super excited to open it.
We have opened it yesterday to show Emma when the other girls weren't here. So the box was perfectly packed, but we're gonna unpack it again. Let's see what's in here.
Space rock.
Wow.
Couscous?
Crisps. No, that is a very fancy ancient grain. Amaranth. We haven't ever tried that, so that's going to be super exciting to try.
Vegan biltong.
Vegan biltong made from
My
oyster,
favorite thing.
a hand sanitizer that is beauty without cruelty. This oyster mushroom biltong is absolutely divine. I've
And
never
this is if you got
tasted
apples.
anything as close to biltong as this. Wow. Unreal.
And we tasted these strawberries and
We
they-
had friends over this morning and we tasted some of the stuff already. Everybody loves the oyster biltong.
and we love the strawberries.
Vegan shampoo. Our absolute favorite
With
brand of
mayo.
mayo. Move the box back a bit.
Coconut cream. Black salt.
This black salt has been amazing. The kids had it on their dole on toast this morning. It's unreal how close it tastes to egg. I've never in my life tasted something
This
not
is
egg as
so
much as that.
Yummy, mommy.
Not fruit leather.
And there's more.
Now this is
Space
a
rock.
coconut cream.
There's more space rock. And this is very, very yummy.
Oh,
Jelly tots. Jelly tots.
yay!
Yay!
And we yeah, Emma already had hers.
Yesterday.
Back a little bit. I want to get this box slightly back. Woolies makes an original mash. Wow, that looks nice.
Look at these nuts.
Yeah,
We
these
love these. They
these
are
dipped
so
roasted almonds are
good.
divine. We've had them once before.
This is
This
very,
is
very
chickpea
good.
flour.
Oh.
Chickpea flour. We love chickpea flour as a coating on any vegan patty. That works
And
very well.
this
This is for a sore throat.
is cream and
Oh,
noodles.
noodles.
Noodles. And I got more noodles.
Noodles.
And this.
Yeah. In our main, I can
Oh,
never
the
remember how to
ones.
pronounce this, but it's like a soybean. yeah, it's the raw soybean that's been roasted and salted.
And soap.
Oh, bamboo charcoal soap, soup mix, little dried herbs and veggies. She says we can use this in a pasta. It's going to work well. Yeah, this is also amazing. Pawpaw ointment for anus and scrapes.
And thank you for sending us our own hand sanitizers.
Yeah, everybody's got their own hand sanitizer. Wow. And what was the other yummy thing? Oh, those are, yeah, these are strawberries. The dehydrated strawberries. Oh, they are divine. Thank you, Daisy.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You really
Thank
spoiled
you,
us.
Thank you. Thank you.
And your favorite is?
The vegan biltong made from oyster mushrooms.
Super yummy.
Very, very yummy.
So what's your favorite out of the box, Lily?
The hand sanitizer. It smells so nice.
So what's your favorite thing in the box, Ruby?
The nuts.
Yeah, they are so yummy. So what's your favorite thing in the box, Lexi?
The black salt that goes good with almost everything.
If you want it to taste like?
Egg.
And they just had it on the dole, which then tastes like scrambled eggs.
On toast.
Yeah. So Emma, what was your favorite thing in the gift box?
The jelly tot.
So where's your jelly tots?
It's in my tummy.
Wow, were they yummy?
Yeah. So what was your favorite thing out of the box?
I couldn't only choose one. I love the mint. I've never tried the mint chocolate coated almond, so this I know is going to be my favorite. And also the bamboo charcoal soap and this oil for radiant skin is amazing. I'm going to look beautiful and younger by the day now. Thank you, Daisy.